Hey everybody, Coach Paula here, and today is day 9 of our 10-day Pilates challenge. So let's jump right into today's workout. So we're starting with wide side stretches. So our feet are going to be a little further apart than shoulder width, and we're going to go straight up and over. And each time you come over and then come back up, you're stretching in both places. So from the side and the top. Now keep your body real secure and stable. We're going to have our hips tucked, our core tight, and we're just going to keep stretching. But we want to make sure that we're very stable. We're not just doing kind of just leaning and flopping. We're really secure, really focused. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's switch sides. Up and over. There we go. Now I'm not just super flexible, so go over as far as you can. Just again, make sure each one of these is a bit of a stretch that you're feeling. But again, keep that core tight, keep breathing. There we go. You're doing great. Three, 2, last one. There we go. Now the next exercise is a knee drive rotation. And our arms are up 90 degrees. We're twisting to the side as our knee comes up. And we're rotating to the back each time the knee drives forward. So we're really working on those obliques, those core muscles. Again, real stable, stay secure. We don't want anyone falling or losing their balance. Three, 2, last one. Awesome job. Now, the next exercise are arm rotations, and I'm going to give you 2 examples because the first one, your arm will be out to the side, your fingers will be spread, and you're tracing, pretend you're tracing the outside of a volleyball. So you're really rotating that shoulder. Now, if that's too much for you, I want to demonstrate how to alleviate that stress off that shoulder. So you're going to bend, you're going to hinge at your hips, and you're going to have your arm dangle down. So we're allowing the shoulder to relax, and we're just making little circles, but we're using just the hand. And we're just letting it rest. And you're going to do that 15 seconds on each side. So let's get the timer going. We're doing upright, we're rotating that shoulder, remember about the size of a volleyball. Not big movements, but not little tiny either. And again, if this bothers you, don't forget to come over, allow your body to just let the body weight bring the shoulder almost to where it's just dangling, to where there's no pressure, there's no pinching or binding. And you're just gonna take about 15 seconds on each side. There you go. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great job. The next exercise are sumo squats with side crunches. So we're gonna get down low, hands behind our head, and we're just doing side crunches to each side. You're going down, come back up. Make sure your shoulders are back. We're coming straight back up in between. Just lean over as far as you can and come straight back up. Core tight. So we're getting in some good leg work as well as abdominal work on those obliques. 3, 2, last one. Great work. Let's come back up to the top. All right, so the last exercise is a high knee crunch. So your arms, again, your hands, I should say, will be behind your head. And as you bring your knee up, you're gonna crunch down to the front. Now, I have an extra little bonus for you if you want to take this up a notch. When you have your hands behind your head and you crunch, come back down and bring your legs out to the side. So you can crunch and lift that leg to the side. So you can do it either way you prefer. You can just do the high knee crunches, or you can do the leg out to the side to get a little extra glute work. You do whichever one you want. I promised you a full body workout today. Wanted to make sure I delivered. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. You just wrapped up round 1. Let's jump right into round 2. Here we go. Let's get started. Keep those knees soft. Don't be locking out your knees. Keep breathing. Keep stretching.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Three, 2, last one. Here we go. Let's switch sides. Three, 2, last one. There we go. Let's move right on to those knee drive rotations. Keep that core tight. Let those abs lift those knees. Really drive them up and twist, getting those obliques. You're doing great. 3, 2, last one. Awesome work. Now, arm rotations. Keep your core tight. Really think about tucking that, tucking in your bottom, tucking it under. Keep the core tight. Keep those legs strong. Even though you're working your shoulders, we can keep everything engaged. 3, 2, last one. Here we go. Great job. Okay, so the next exercise, those sumo squats. No, next exercise, the sumo side crunch. There you go. Squat down low, hands behind head, and over to the sides. Here you go. Keep going. Keep that core tight. Keep breathing. I know it's a lot to think about all at the same time. 3, 2, last one. There we go. Here we go. High knee crunches. Here we go. Now don't forget, you can add in that leg lift. You can do just the regular knee crunches, and then on the last round, add the leg lift or the side leg lift. Three, 2, last one. Great job. Now you just wrapped up round 2. Let's jump right into round 3. Here we go. Let's get started. Keep those knees soft. Don't be locking out your knees. Keep breathing. Keep stretching.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
3, 2, last one, here we go. Let's switch sides. Three, 2, last one. There we go. Let's move right on to those knee drive rotations. Keep that core tight. Let those abs lift those knees. Really drive them up and twist, getting those obliques. You're doing great. 3, 2, last one. Awesome work. Now, arm rotations. Keep your core tight. Really think about tucking that, tucking in your bottom, tucking it under. Keep the core tight. Keep those legs strong. Even though you're working your shoulders, we can keep everything engaged. 3, 2, last one, here we go. Great job. Okay, so the next exercise, those sumo squats. No, next exercise is sumo side crunch. There you go, squat down low, hands behind head, and over to the sides. There you go, keep going. Keep that core tight. Keep breathing. I know it's a lot to think about all at the same time. 3, 2, last one. There we go. Up we go. High knee crunches. Here we go. Okay, now, if you haven't pushed yourself yet, here's your opportunity. We're gonna do the ones with the side lift. We're gonna do the one with the side leg lift. Make it just a little extra. You're gonna push yourself just a little harder on the last set. Just think about that booty, that nice rounded booty. 3, lift it to the side. 2, to the side, and last one. Excellent work. I hope you really enjoyed this. I'm proud of you if you pushed yourself a little harder and got that leg lift to the side. Way to go. So, day 9, conquered, done and dusted, you did it. Join us tomorrow for the final day with Coach Gabby. If you enjoyed this workout, give us a thumbs up and make sure that if you don't want to miss any future exercises, any future workouts, is subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon below. Now, don't forget to join us tomorrow for that final day.